Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Lalaine Axalan. It's nice to meet you if you're new to my channel. And for today's video is the very controversial Romina Mondragon makeup tutorial. So, it's inspired by my favorite teleserye that is ongoing right now in the Philippines, Kadenang Ginto. Yay! We will be trying to recreate Beauty Gonzales makeup as Romina in Kadenang Ginto. And this is the look na napili ko. Malapit naman, di ba? Hindi naman nagkakalayo. Joke lang. I know na sobrang different ng aming mga features. Zia to? It's Mommy! This is Mommy. This is Mommy. This is Mommy! Ayaw mo maniwala ng anak ko. I know that me and Beauty have so much different features, face features, but I'm going to try to recreate her makeup. Okay? Or yung look na parang mga fresh, demure, elegant, pero very light lang. Come here, dito ka. Dali, dito ka. Papakita kita. So, before we start, I would like you to meet my baby! Did you miss Tyler? Ang laki niya na, no? Dati baby pa lang siya. Nung kasama ko siya sa mga videos. Ngayon, big boy ng baby ko eh. Big boy na. Mama. Mama. Okay, magme-makeup na po si Mama para magmukha namang tao sa camera, okay? Okay? Mama! Joke mo ko eh. Ginajoke mo ko eh. Oh, you eat na. You eat muna. Okay, so let's begin. We will be starting with clean face and skincare, of course. But before I proceed to the skincare, si Romina meron siyang very slim na pisngi and V-shape yung face niya. I have this galvanic spa with me and this body shaping gel which I will be using on my double chin and my pisngi. Okay, para mag-contour ang ating face at magmukhang mala Romina Mondragon V-shaped face. Okay, let's start. I'd like to start by spraying a moisturizer mist on my face. Okay, lalagay din ako dito sa may kilay at sa may nose. Alam ko, napapansin nyo na yung ilong ko, dati sobrang maganito. Yung parang malaki siya talaga dito. Pero because of this gadget, natuklasan ko na pwede ko siyang i-contour naturally nang walang surgery. So, ganito lang ang ginagawa. Meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. So, I'm going to put it on the number 4 which is 5 minutes. Okay, start na tayo. Dito, i-open mo lang muna yung mga lymphatic drainage mo. We have here. We also have here. Guys, palagi kong sinasabi, ang aking face ay very sensitive. So, madali siyang mag-red. But in reality, walang kasakit-sakit. Itong galvanic spa, wala kang mararamdaman na kahit ano. But this works wonders. Grabe. Tagal yung mga pimples ko dito. Tapos, nawala yung maga ng mukha ko, ng ilong ko, and na-lift yung skin ko, yung face ko. Kasi yung yung face ko, parang yung droopy siya, yung pag-ganon na, parang nagsasag. So, this gadget helped me a lot to firm my skin, my laugh lines, my baba dito. Kasi ako double chin talaga ako as in malala. Pero na-minimize dito at minsan hindi na talaga siya halata. niyo ba? Guys, nag-V ang shape ng face ko. Na-contour siya naturally. As you can see, pumayat, di ba? And my nose. Nagkaroon siya ng natural contour. Kung nakikita nyo, naalis yung maga niya dito. And nag-lift yung eyes ko. O, di ba? Magic! Okay, so after that, let's go right away to our toner. So first, syempre, mag-alcohol muna tayo to make sure that our hands are 99.9% clean. I'll be using this pH toner, pH balance toner. Okay, using my fingers. And then, of course, my aloe vera moisturizer. Para kumalma ang skin ko na mula. Hindi ko alam kung bakit namumula yung mukha ko. Guys, this is very important. You have to massage your face.
Okay.
Yes, your face, baby. You have to massage it so that your blood flow will circulate and you will have brighter looking skin. Okay, then yung rest, lagay lang natin dito sa ating siko at mga kamay, and then just let it dry. Next, I'll be using this brow powder on top. After that, I will be using my RCMA foundation. Next will be the brow mascara from MAC. Foundation, I will be using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation 24 Hours. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundation that is so affordable and yet delivers high-end quality of foundation. Is the Dior Contour and Highlight stick. So, lalagay lang natin siya dyan. ko na ba ang kanyang face? So, next, sa eyes naman tayo. Let's shade right here. So, after putting the lashes, maglalagay ako ng mascara. Akala ko hindi na ako maglalagay kanina. Kaya lang, parang may kulang. Kaya lalagyan. You wait for daddy. Yun na si daddy, tay. Narinig ko na yung pinto. Sabi ko na yun. For the blush, we're going to use the Marc Jacobs Lush and Libo Air Blush. So, ito munang dark. And then the light color dito sa may apple. Kasi yung blush on ni Romina ay nandito din at kulay pink din. Lakas maka-fresh. Next naman for the highlight, we'll be using the Milani Day Glow Luminescence Strobe Light. Konti lang para medyo mag-glow dito, especially yung Okay, so this is the final look. of Mrs. Romina Mondragon. Yan, kamukha ko na ba si Beauty? Kamukha ko na ba siya? Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope na panoorin nyo rin yung isa kong video na gagawin, which is the Daniela Bartolome Mondragon.